Then you are having a billing relevance G. Now let's see what is the billing relevance G. Billing relevance G is a third-party process where basically we also use a shipping notification. Okay, where we'll be also receiving it. We also do the Migo also we do it. Migo we do it just for shipping notification that okay, it has been shipped or it has been received, but it will not be updating the stock at our quantities, right? So what is going to happen in this case? Earlier case which we have discussed, that was a billing relevance. So you should be understand the difference. This was a billing relevance F. If you will see here, in the billing relevance F, we are having this invoice document linking with the Miro document. Okay, invoice after the vendor received the PO, vendor directly invoice it. There is no Migo in between it. Right? There is no Migo in between it. Now, here your invoice, your vendor invoice, you are referring it to your customer invoice. That is a billing relevance F. Right? Now, let's see the another billing relevance so that you are very clear with this difference. The another billing relevance we have here is billing relevance G. What is happening with the billing relevance G? In the billing relevance G, your reference is not Miro, your reference is Migo. Okay, your reference is Migo, and against the Migo, once you have a Migo done, then you would be putting the invoice to the customer. So rather than having a reference to Miro from the customer for the vendor invoice, you are having a reference to the shipping notification Migo, or this is also called a delivery challan. Now with this Migo will be a special kind of Migo where the stock will not update, the value will not update. It's just kind of a notification that the material has been dispatched to the customer. Customer has received the material. If customer has received the material, now you can invoice to the customer, right? So your invoice reference is linked with the Migo. So if the dispatch has been done, it is confirmed, customer has received, you are raising an invoice. Then after that, vendor would be raising an invoice to you and you will be paying to the vendor. So that's a separate cycle. The invoice is not linked. That scenario makes sense because let's say you are doing a weekly delivery to the customer, and with the customer you are having an arrangement that weekly delivery you are doing, and every week with the delivery you need to invoice to the customer and get the payment received. But with your vendor, you are having arrangement that vendor should be raising your monthly invoices. So after 4 deliveries he has done to your customer, then he would be invoicing it to you. But you need to do the weekly invoices. So you cannot have a reference to this Miro document, right? In that case, we use a billing relevance G. So that is a difference between your billing relevance G in the third party process and billing relevance F. Difference between F and G. Okay, so this is very important for the third party processes. These questions would be asked into the interviews. If you are having a billing reference F, what is going to happen? If you are having a billing reference G, what is going to happen in your third party process?